Hi, welcome to ESOL Grammar Resources. I'm Chris. Remember to press pause when you need to, and if I'm talking too quickly, you can slow the video down in settings. Let's get started. Today, we'll be talking about writing skills, sentences, and capital letters. Let's start with sentences. A sentence always begins with a capital letter or a big letter, has a verb, has a subject, who or what the sentence is about, and always ends with a full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. Here are some examples. He works part-time. The H of he is a capital letter because it is at the beginning of the sentence. Works is a verb. The subject is he. It is about a person. And a full stop is at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's look at another. Where is the villa? Okay, W is a capital letter. It's at the beginning of the sentence. The verb to be is the verb here. The subject is the villa. This is what the sentence is about. As this sentence is a question, rather than a full stop, this sentence ends with a question mark. Okay, that's enough on sentences for now. Let's move on to capital letters. Sometimes called big letters, these are used at the beginning of a word for the names of people or the names of places, for nationalities and languages, for days of the week and months, for words that stand for me or for myself, for brand or company names. Let's look at some examples. Angela is French and speaks Arabic, French, and English. She works in a cafe on Fridays, and during the week she studies at Cambridge University. Angela and I have been friends for 5 years. Okay, that's quite a lot. Let's look at each part. Firstly, to start the sentence, we use a capital letter. Also, Angela is a name, so even in the middle of a sentence, she would still have a capital letter. Secondly, French. Angela's nationality gets a capital letter. Now, Angela speaks 3 languages. Each language gets a capital letter. The start of a new sentence, she gets a capital letter. Fridays, as a day of the week, also needs a capital letter. And Cambridge University, as it's the name of a specific place, also gets capital letters. Finally, I, as a word that stands for me, needs to be a capital letter. Okay, now we've looked at sentences and capital letters, let's look at a short sentence and try to spot all the problems. My friend Louise lives in Spain. Okay, firstly, the first letter of this sentence needs to be a capital letter. Also, Louise is a name and Spain is a country, a specific place, so also needs a capital letter. How did you do? Did you spot them all? Okay, let's try another. They on holiday in the Maldives. Okay, firstly, They starts the sentence and it needs a capital letter. Secondly, we are missing a verb. The verb to be needs to be in here. This changes the sentence to they are on holiday in the Maldives. Finally, the Maldives is a specific place. There needs to be a capital letter. The final sentence looks like this. How did you do? Did you spot them all? Okay, let's recap. Today, we looked at capital letters and sentences. We learned that capital letters are used for names of people and places, proper nouns, nationalities and languages, days of the week and months, words which stand for me or myself, and brand or company names. We also learnt that all sentences must have a verb and a subject. They must also begin with a capital letter and end with either a full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. Okay, that's it for today. Well done everyone. See you next time.